video I'll show you how to acquire lock on the field level. So there are two users, user 1 and user 2. Who are logged in from different clients of SQL Plus. So there are two users who are working in parallel concurrently and they are using the same tables. So user 1 is the owner of table 1 and table 2, but sharing rights are given to user 2. So this user 1 has granted permission to select, insert, update and delete in table 1 and table 2 to user 2. So user 2 can do anything with these tables. So if you want to check structure of table 1 in user 2's account, if you write describe table 1, it will show that object not found because this table's owner is user 1. So it should be accessed through owner name dot table name and then it will display the table. Same way, if you write describe user 1 dot table 2, it will display table 2 and this user will be able to view, insert, delete, update data in table 1 and table 2. So this is table 1 which belongs to user 1. This is table 2 which also belongs to user 1. And here if user 1 wants to select data from table 1 and 2, he just have to write select star from table 1 and table 2. Now suppose user 2 wants to update table 2's B2 field and then that user wants to lock this field, then it could be done through the clause for update off. When he will write for update off, first user will not be able to access that field. So to acquire the exclusive lock on any attribute, select statement to be written like this: select star from table name, which is user 1's table 2, select star from table 2 for update of B2, which is the field name. So now this is locked. This attribute B2 is locked for updation by user 1. Now even though user 1 is not doing updation on this field, when user 2 is not updating the field B2 right now, and if user 1 is trying to update this field by writing the update command, update table 2 set B2 is equal to 20 where B1 equal to 2, he will be in the wait state because this field B2 is locked for updation by user 2. So until and unless user 2 will release the lock, this user 1 will not get the access of table 2's B2 field which he wants to update. Now if I execute commit or rollback here in this window, the lock will be released and you can see here that the table has been updated. Now again if we execute the same thing, then the lock will not be granted. Why? Because right now the lock which was acquired by user 2 is released and then the lock is granted for updation of table 2 to user 1. So now until and unless user 1 rollbacks or commit, the lock which is provided by the database will not be released. So if you want that lock to be released, then you need to execute rollback or commit. So as soon as you rollback or commit, here in this window user 2 will get the access of table 2 and then he will be able to lock field B2, right? So as you can see here, now he is able to do this. And same way, now again, if user 1 will try to update, he will be in the wait state. So this is how the locks are required and released when any commit or rollback statement is executed, and that is what the locking scheme in the database.